The following video has scenes of graphic absurdity, potentially offensive images, and blatantly obvious sarcasm. Viewer discretion is advised.
Every year we have Thanksgiving at our house, and it's one of my favorite times of the year. My nephew and his wife Amy and their family, they come to town and they stay with us for a whole week. And the house is full of laughter, children running around, food, fun. It's an absolute blast. About 5 years ago, Amy invited me to go Black Friday shopping, and I thought, no, I don't want to go. It's crazy, crowded, too many people. No, thank you. I declined. But she said, you know, we could just go for 2 hours, and if you don't like it, I'll bring you home. They always say the first one's free. And she asked me every year, so I thought, what could it hurt? It's 2 hours. But when we got home at 3 a.m., I realized I was hooked. And now, 5 years later, I think I'm addicted. Maybe I should seek help. Maybe I should get counseling. Maybe I shouldn't do this anymore. Or maybe I should do it one more year. The first year that I did this, I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I got pushed, knocked around, shoved to the floor 3 times. And that was by Amy. So I knew if I was going to keep doing this, I was going to need to up my game. So I started working out, eating differently, and I went off my products. Because I believe that Black Friday is the one time of the year that it's okay to be estrogen dominant and go a little crazy. Jackie said hot flashes never killed anyone, but she didn't say anything about a woman with hot flashes. I mean, how many times are you guys going to dig a hole in the yard and make a mess? I mean, you guys are just out here doing nothing all the time. I have to do everything around here. I have to do everything around here. Digging holes in the yard. And no, I'm not acting crazy. I am not being hormonal. And no, I am not in the mood. I mean, I don't know what the big deal is. So I get a little excited, a little emotional. That's okay. That's gotta be me. And the kids, they totally get it. It's Black Friday time again.
But Mom, you get a little crazy during Black Friday.
No, I don't.
But Mom, last Black Friday, you forgot my birthday.
Everybody has to make sacrifices.
She always does this.
No, guys. This year it's gonna be different. Roman, I promise this year it's gonna be way different.
Mom, I don't want you to go to Black Friday.
Really, guys, I promise. This year's gonna be different.
I hate Black Friday.
Roman, he's the baby. He gets a little emotional. But after he sees what I got him for Christmas, he'll forgive me. So after last year's wheelchair incident at Nordstrom's, I knew I needed to change my strategy. Go to Target. What are you doing? Okay, I've got us all mapped out. 16:30, go time. We're leaving the house. 16:45, Starbucks. We're gonna go Kohl's, Target, Best Buy, Dick's Sporting Goods. And then from there, we'll go to Old Navy.
Okay, but wait a second. Do we really need all of this? Wouldn't it make more sense just to go from Kohl's to Target, down to Dick's, over to Best Buy, and then end up at Old Navy?
Normally. This year, I've hired a millennial to stand in line at Kohl's. While they're there, we're gonna go to Target because I have a friend of a friend this year who works on the back dock.
Okay, but wait a second. I mean, is this all really necessary? Don't you think we're taking this a little bit too seriously?
Amy, it's Black Friday. I don't know what her deal is. She's the one that got me into this in the first place. Guess it's on me. It's go time. Let's do this. Another successful Black Friday in the books. I got some great bargains. Got this cute pink sweater for 60 off. Got my doorbusters, the last 2 on the pallet. This year, my strategy actually worked. Amy and I had a great time, We avoided any major incidents, and I really think that this year the kids are going to love what I got them. But it's time to get back to normal. It's time to get ready for Christmas. It's time to be a mom again. It's time to be a wife again. It's time to be fully present again. Yep, another successful Black Friday. Will I do it again next year? We'll just have to wait and see.
Although the main character stopped her natural hormone balancing program to score great deals during her annual Black Friday shopping spree, it is never a good idea to be estrogen dominant. At no time were her hormones in any actual danger of becoming out of balance. No children, relatives, spouses, pets, or shoppers were harmed in the making of this video. Any scenes of emotion, disrespect, and hormonal imbalance are fictional and were created and intended purely for entertainment purposes only. We have no regrets for the deception utilized in securing the doorbuster special of Shark vacuums at half price. And yes, we got the last two.